Hello students, today we will start first exercise of chapter 10 practical geometry. See the first question of exercise 10.1 in your book. Question is draw a line, say AB, take a point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass only. According to the instruction of question, we will draw figure. For this question, first of all, we will draw a line AB. Now see, here I have drawn a line AB. And see the second sentence of the question, take a point C outside it. After this, we will take a point C outside this line AB. Okay. Through C means through this point. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB. Okay, parallel to AB using ruler and compass only. Now students, let's draw this figure. Here you can see I have drawn a line AB and then I have taken a point C outside it, and now we will take a point D on this line AB. Okay, so you can take anywhere here, but I have taken here. Okay, this is the point D. Now students, we will join these two points C and D. Okay, like this we will join point C and D. And now students, we will take D as center. We will take this point as center and we will draw an arc with any radius. Okay, you can see, you will not measure it, you will take you will draw arc of any radius. Okay, you can see here I have taken D point as center and then I have drawn an arc, and this arc will cut the line AB at the point R and this CD at S. Okay. Now the next thing is now we will take C as center. Okay. Now listen very carefully. Now you will take C as center and you will take radius equal to DR. Okay. We will take this radius. Here we have taken this radius now. Now the same radius we will take like this, and taking C as center and radius equal to DR, we will draw an arc like this. And this arc will cut CD at the point T. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we will take T as center. Okay. And when you will take T as center, then you will change the radius in your compass. And you know how much radius you will take? You will take radius from here. You will take radius SR. See how I am taking? Like this. Okay. And after taking this radius, very carefully you will put the pointer of compass at the point T and then you will draw an arc. Okay. And you can see this arc is cutting the previously drawn arc. Okay. And this point is the point U. Okay. Now what we have to do? See, you will put the ruler like this and you will join the point C and U. Okay. Like this. You will join the point CU, and after joining the point C and U, you will extend it on both the sides. See, how will you extend it? Like this, like this. Okay, and now we will give a name to this line, line M. And here you can see that line M is parallel to line AB. Okay. So like this, according to the instruction, you can draw parallel lines. Now students, before starting question number 2, I will tell you how you will write steps of construction. It is very necessary to write for each construction. So in front of the all the steps of construction in a proper way. Okay. Now I am telling the steps. You write in your notebook. Heading steps of construction. Now the first point is draw a line AB and a point C outside it. This is your first step. Now the second step of your steps of construction is take a point D on the line AB. Okay. Join CD. In the same line you will write it. Join CD. Now the third point. Taking D as center, comma, draw an arc with any radius to cut line AB at R and CD at S. Okay. Now the point number 4. Taking C as center and radius equal to DR. Draw an arc cutting CD at T. Okay. Now the fifth point. Taking P as center and radius equal to RS. Radius equal to RS. Comma, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at U. Join C, U and extend it. This is the fifth point. Join CU. Extend it on both sides to get a line M parallel to line AB. Students, only this much you have to write for steps of construction for the first question. Now let's see the second question. Question 2 is draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. Now students, for this question, first of all, we will draw a line L. Okay. Now see, here you will draw a line L. And after drawing this line L, we will take a point P on it. Now this is a point P. Now we will place the pointed tip of the compass at this point P. Okay. And now we will draw a semicircular arc like this. You see, you will draw a semicircular arc, and you can see this semicircular arc is cutting the line. Here this arc is cutting the line at Q and R. Okay. Now for a slight bigger opening, we will stress the pencil and compass. Okay. After this, we will put the pointed tip of the compass on Q and R. Okay. Taking Q and R as center, we will draw arcs like this, and now from point Q. And children, these two arcs will cut each other at the point S. Here. Now we will join point P and S, okay, to make a perpendicular. Now we will join these 2 points P and S to make a perpendicular. Okay. Now we will draw after this according to the instruction of question. Now our question says that choose a point X 4 centimeter away from L. Okay. So for this we will take P as center and we will draw an arc at 4 centimeter. Okay. Now here we will take radius of 4 centimeter like this, 4 and this 0 to 4. Okay. After taking this radius, we will take P as center. Okay. And then we will cut an arc of radius 4 centimeter to obtain a point X on this perpendicular. Okay. Now we have got point X on this perpendicular. Now students, we have to draw line M parallel to line L. So for this, what we will do? We will repeat the same process again. Okay. All the steps we will repeat once again to draw a perpendicular to PX. Okay. So for this, what we will do? See. Now we will take X as center and taking any radius, we will draw a semicircular arc. Okay. And after drawing this semicircular arc, we will take any radius in our compass and we will draw 2 arcs like this. Here this radius I have taken. I will take this point as center. Okay. And then you can see I am drawing an arc and taking the same radius and this point as center. We will draw an arc like this. Okay. Now children, we will join these 2 points. This point is X. Now we take this point as Y. Now we join point X and Y. And after joining point X and point Y, we will extend the line. Now you can see that we have got line M parallel to line L, and here also we will give some names. Here to this semicircular arc we can give the name A and B. Okay, this is point B. Okay, and this is the point A. And like this you will write steps of construction for this question. Steps of construction you have to write yourself for this question. Okay. Now students, once again I am explaining the steps. Here you will draw a line L and you will take a point P on it. Okay. After that you will take P as center and then you will draw a semicircular arc cutting the line L at Q and R. Okay. And with a slight bigger opening you will mark 2 arcs. You will mark 2 arcs from Q and R as centers. They cut each other at the point. They cut each other at the point S. Okay. You will join PS. Okay. And after joining PS, you will make a perpendicular. Okay. Then you will take P as center and you will cut an arc of 4 centimeter to obtain a point X on the perpendicular. Okay. Here you will mention 4 centimeter. Like this. You will mention here 4 centimeter. Okay. And you will repeat the steps to draw a perpendicular to PX also at the point X. In the same way, you will draw this perpendicular line on the point X. Children, like this you can get line L parallel to line M. This is the required figure. Students, today only this much. In the next video, I will explain you the 3rd question of the same exercise. Now, thank you.